up, guys? Today, I'm playing Geometry Dash, but if I die, I have to put a screwdriver in the demon core. Now, if you guys don't know what that is, basically, like World War II, there's supposed to be a third bomb dropped on Japan by the United States, and the war ended, so it wasn't put to use. Basically, it was like a highly dangerous material, and a guy put a screwdriver in it, and it exploded, so it's really dangerous. But luckily, I got my hands on a replica of it. We got a screwdriver right here, and yeah, let's play. Let's back on track. Hope I don't lose this. I really don't want to die. So great if I died to this. This level's pretty easy, so I'm pretty confident. Oh, also, it obviously cost me a lot of money, so remember, like and subscribe. Oh no. Well, know what that means. Gotta the screwdriver in.